This knife right here, what it's all started for me, why I start obsessing about knives a little bit. I'm sure for everybody is different, but this is why I like this one. This is so unique. You see, whenever you press this button, the whole handle opens up. And this is a dagger style knife. Usually whenever you get a folding knife that is a dagger style, one end is sharp and the other one is not. But this one is both ways are sharp, so it's a true dagger knife, folding knife. This one is about 6 years old. You could flick them out. There you go. Takes a little practice, but this thing is amazing. So Paragon Asheville Steel, this is actually where I moved straight to America, into Asheville, and this is ashevillesteel.com. This store is actually close by, and guess what, they made titanium. And check this out. I got the plane. The Blade HQ sent me like scratched up knife, so I'm really disappointed with the Blade HQ website, because you know, whenever you pay $700 for a knife, you expect for it to be perfect. It was already open, it was used, somebody was carrying it with the cell phone or the keys and scratched it up or something. So I'll have to return that one, but we're gonna do a little review. Wow, it just feels a little heavier, that's for sure. And it's smoother. You kind of have to open it and close it with the same momentum. Or you can use gravity, you see? The thing is so smooth. And the whole handle is titanium, the blade, everything. So quickly a comparison. Are they even the same size? Yeah, they are the same size, just different material. This one is like $250 knife. I think first time they went for sale, they were like 300 something. Look at that blade, I love it. Versus this one, beautiful. Obviously you can get different type of blades in the titanium as well. But yeah, this is what it's all started for me. This very unique knife got my knife obsessions. Before, I didn't care about knives. I would wanted to use the cheapest one because I didn't understand any better what's so special about knives. You see how this one is $200 knife and it's just not as smooth. And I barely use this knife. Versus titanium knife, it's so much smoother. Look at that. It just sounds a little bit different too. But let's just open it with gravity. Opens so nice. What about closes? Also nice. I mean, they both just high quality. It's just such a unique knives. Definitely a bit disappointing. You see these big scratches. If I try to trade it or sell it now, it's gonna be like used knife. So I do not want a used knife. I didn't pay for a used knife. So Blade HQ should not do that. They should sell knives as used, not like new ones. Obviously it looks pretty used with these giant scratches, because it's supposed to look like this front right here, you see? No scratches. There you go. That's unacceptable. Obviously somebody put it in a pocket while they had keys inside of it and scratched that up. That's most likely what happened. But other than that, it's an amazing knife. I got it because it's in titanium. This one is a lot cheaper, but this one is much better quality of the material. Definitely trading this one to Blade HQ. Make sure they're gonna give me a new knife, not a used one. But yeah, let me know in comments below, what do you think? Amazing, one of a kind knives, big handle dagger, super unique, weirdest knife ever made. One time I filmed this, it went viral, and that's all started for me, this crazy knife obsession unboxing.